Hello, good morning guys. This is Jensen and nandito na kami guys sa time check, it's 5:30 in the morning and we're supposed to eat breakfast sa unfortunately they're not yet open. Ikot-ikot muna kami. Yo guys, good afternoon. Nandito nga kami ulit ngayon guys. It's, what time is it now? 4. It's 4 p.m. in the afternoon. Sorry guys, hindi na ako nakapag-video nung ganinang umaga kasi nakapag-check-in na kami, early in kami and nag-sleep. So wala kami nagawa mag-hapon. Pero it's 4 p.m. Let's enjoy the rest of the day. For the meantime, we will be eating saan yun? So pupunta kami din sa merienda. Di ko alam kung ano. Siguro tatak ng ano is merienda. Pero our outfit check. Outfit check lab. Ikot-ikot na. Yaks! Andun yung dagat. Later on we'll be going there. In the meantime, kain muna tayo. Yo guys, change of minds. Dito kami sa Tavern by the Sea. So still the same. Not change of mind really, but kakain pa rin kami. Wow. Okay, so look at the sea. Look at the sea. Love, tingin. Wala masyadong nagtitinda sa Tavern by the Sea. So try na maglakad papunta sa Kabsat. And doon na kami mag-merienda. We missed the lunch time, so technically this will be our lunch. Hi guys, nandito na kami sa Kabsat. Ito yung last option namin. Guys, time check, it's 4:33. Tawag na kami yung waiter. Sir, call. Lumating na yung aming drinks. What a wonderful drink. Instant muna kami guys sa wait lang. Okay lang.
Dito na ako.
Cold po. Para look. Wow, sarap. Hey, let's pray. Bon appetit. Yo guys, just finished eating. Punta na kami ngayon sa beach. We're just going to tambay. Dito kami. This is the bar ng Kabsat. Just maganda. Look at my girl. Uy, love, parang may sunset to. Ha?
Dito tayo dito.
Pwede kahit saan. Tingnan natin.
Okay na doon sa pasto doon eh.
Daan ka siya madaan. Pwede rin dun. Ha?
Sarap ng sinigang.
Sarap na sinigang nila guys. Kudos kay Kabsat. Ang galing. Sarap po ito. May Kabsat sa BGC pa. Doon na tayo kumakain laro.
At this moment guys, hindi na ako masyado nag-abala sa pag-vlog. You know, gusto ko lang na i-enjoy muna yung moment, yung time, yung bonding, yung view ng beach, and basically enjoy the vacation. But if you have some time, just comment down below what content you want me to do next. Leave a like and share this video to other people so that we can also inspire others going for a vacation, you know. But yun nga, I did not continue vlogging anymore, but we'll continue vlogging tomorrow. And enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you. Let's go.